Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you all once again to my home. Now, today's video, I will be sharing with you how I am going to upcycle my Christmas wreath and turn it into my spring and summer wreath. Now, I would love for you guys to join with me as I create this wreath for my pitiful looking front door. Now, it's looking this way now, but come back tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time as I will be participating in a collaboration with one of my beautiful YouTube sisters here, and we will be sprucing up our front entranceway. So the wreath that I am making today, you will actually see it displayed tomorrow on my front door. Now, those of you that are new, your first time stopping by, let me say hello and welcome, and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you want to be a part of this channel here, this family, just hit the red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice. Therefore, you'll be notified each and every time there's an upload made. Now, that hand that you see here is my husband. He's always willing to lend a helping hand. That hand you will see again tomorrow as he will be lending a helping hand with a few DIYs that I have going on for my front porch. Guys, I appreciate you all so very much. And so stay tuned as we create this wreath for my front door. We're going to upcycle this wreath. We're going to make it fabulous. And we're going to make it work for the spring and summer. All right, guys, stick around. So what I'm doing here, you guys, is just trying to see what I'm working with. It has the lights attached to it, so I think I'm going to leave those there. And it's battery operated, so I'm just going to fluff it out a little bit. And then I will proceed with making it into spring and summer. Quick and easy DIY, turning your Christmas wreath into your spring and summer with just a few twists and turns. So guys, what my plan is to do here, I am planning to use this Christmas wreath as my spring and summer wreath, and I'm going to do that by attaching this wreath here that I purchased from a consignment store, and it was really inexpensive. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but I would say it was a few dollars. So I picked it up. I did not need another wreath, but I thought this was perfect for spring and summer. So what I'm going to do to get the volume that I would like to have at my front porch or on my front door is I'm going to attach this to my Christmas wreath by using the greenery, the little greenery from the wreath. So it's going to be a very simple. And all you do is just take your greenery and pull it through, reach to the other side and grab another piece and attach them, and I promise you it will be very secure. It is not going to go anywhere because I'm going to go around, and if you see, the florals hide your attachment. So I'm just going to continue to go around and do the same, and I'm going to pull it as tight as I possibly can. Even though I want volume, I don't want it to stick out but so far. So we're going to go ahead. And if you're going to do something like this and you have beautiful nails, make sure you do this before you go get your nails refreshed. I actually have a nail appointment on Saturday, and today is Thursday, so I guess I'll be a little shabby for a few days, but that's okay. Guys, what do you think of the colors in these wreaths? Is it not perfect for spring and summer? I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I think I picked this up around February at the consignment shop, and it was at 75% off. I do think, you guys, I paid only a couple of dollars for this wreath. I promise you, it was absolutely beautiful and a perfect find. So I think by doing this way, it's going to give me exactly what I want for my front door. If you have pieces that pop off, make sure you have your hot glue gun somewhere nearby so that you can start it up. It's really that simple. So I got my hot glue gun here. Got my hot glue gun here. I'm going to take and plug it in. And if you're waiting for your hot glue gun to start up, make sure you have it turned on. I was waiting, but I actually didn't have it turned on. I plugged it in, so as you can see, the light is on and she is ready. She's on, and now she is warming up. So we will, these are some of the strips that I'm going to use to create the ribbon. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified of any up and coming uploads, and share this video if you like. Thank you so much. Continue to watch, continue to enjoy. And if you want to cut your little tails, you fold it in half and you take your scissors and you go in like this. Gives you your perfect little tails. And if you want to do kind of like the V on one end and then this, the tail looks on the other, then what you do is you kind of cut it the opposite way. Up, you fold it, So what I'm trying to show you here, you guys, is the way in which you hold your ribbon and the way that you cut. If you want the point on the end or if you want the dovetail on the other, it's just folding, holding, and cutting to give you the results that you are looking for.